I took advantage of her at the farm. Now I shift her.
That's bad. Bad shifter.
Oh, you see that?
Now you spoil am.
Action.
From the top.
But you're saying from the top, sis, now. Uncle freeze.
True. Yes. I think I would do something about that. I will try to do something about it.
Please do.
I will try to do something about that.
And do it faster.
Okay.
We're gonna do it fast. Action.
You can do it fast.
Please do.
And do it fast.
Make it fast. Action.
Please do. And do it faster.
No. Please do and make it fast.
Please do.
On action, sir. Action.
Please do and make it faster.
Fast, not faster. And action.
Please do
And make it fast.
make it faster.
And action.
Okay,
See, sir. Please do.
And make it fast. But wait a minute, oh. Have you noticed that Obina, you call slave, is a very strong, handsome guy?
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Yes.
Freeze! Make us slap. We should be guy.
They don't even carry, not even go there again. No need to go there. Because this is not know what you want. No need to, no breeze in that line. Put it again.
Have you noticed that Obina is a very strong, handsome guy? So
Which one be this handsome guy?
okay, sorry.
Start your
See no
recording.
movement 8. See you on Uju and go enter like that, man. You know they watch. Action.
Please take care of them. Please. Please. Give them this. And grow.
No, sit down again, please. Give them this when they grow.
Bless you, cause before you go down. Fast and you take it down.
You can't give up finish. Okay. Action.
Please take care of them. Please. Give them this.
Finish. Give them this when they grow up. Action. Sorry.
Please. Take care of them. And give them this. When they grow up.
No, they give up not fast. No, give them this. When they grow up, then you relax. So you take good. Okay. 2 rush that way. Action.
And give them this. When they grow up.